Hello friends, today I am going to give you an insight about the COVID-19 vaccines from a common man's perspective. I am Meet Shah, a student at Medical College Baroda. Okay, so before we learn about the COVID-19 vaccines in specific, let us learn that how does a vaccine work in general. Take an example, this is a healthy person and he or she comes in contact with a virus. That virus will enter into the human body and make that person ill. After a few days, the natural immune system of the body will produce antibody against the virus, kill the virus, and hence the person will get healthy again. This is the sequence of event that takes place in a naturally acquired infection, right? Now, suppose this healthy person is injected artificially with the weak virus. This weak virus cannot produce any illness in the disease. The person will remain healthy. But as something foreign, something abnormal has entered into the human body, the immune system will produce antibodies against that, and these antibodies will remain in the human body for a particular period of time. Okay. Now, later on, this healthy vaccinated person who is already having antibody in his body comes in contact with the virus. The already formed antibodies will kill this virus, and hence the person will remain healthy and will not get diseased or ill with the COVID-19 or other viruses. So this is the basic principle that how does a vaccine work. Now, what are the vaccines that are approved for COVID-19? India has approved two vaccines, Covishield and Covaxin. Covishield is produced by Serum Institute of India in collaboration with Oxford University and AstraZeneca Pharmaceuticals, while Covaxin is produced by Bharat Biotech and ICMR. There was a question that why is the Pfizer vaccine, which is approved in developed countries like UK and USA, not approved in India? Pfizer vaccine needs a temperature requirement of minus 20 degrees Celsius for storage, which is practically not possible in India at grassroots level. And hence, Covishield and Covaxin are best as they can be stored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, that is our normal refrigerator. Before we go in detail about the two vaccines, let us know that what are the parts of the virus. This is a simplified explanation. Each virus will have two parts, one weak part, another strong part. The weak part is technically called as immunogenicity. These antibodies are produced by humans against this weak part, okay, which helps in killing that virus. While the strong part is the part which is responsible for producing disease or illness in the human body. For vaccines, our target is the weak part. So how does Covaxin work, right? The one developed by Bharat Biotech and ICMR. Covaxin is an attenuated virus vaccine. What does attenuated word mean? It means weakened. The virus whose power has decreased. So if this is a normal COVID-19 virus, by various scientific methods, we remove the strong part from the virus and keep only the weak part with us. Okay. This weak part is then given into a healthy person. As this is a weak part, it will not produce any disease or illness in the person. But as anything foreign has entered into the body, the antibody will be produced by the human immune system in that healthy person, which will stay in that person for a particular period of time. Now, this healthy person who has already antibodies present in his body, if it comes in contact with the COVID-19 virus, the antibodies will kill that virus and hence the person will remain healthy. This is the mechanism of action of Covaxin. Now, how does Covishield vaccine work? Covishield vaccine is a vector virus vaccine. What does the word vector mean? Vector basically means vehicle. So let us understand. We know that our target is coronavirus. Now there is another virus called as adenovirus. Adenovirus is basically a very weak or very poor virus that in humans cannot produce a strong disease. So what do we do? That with the help of scientific technology, we take a small portion of the virus and some part of the adenovirus and combine them together forming a new recombinant virus. In reality, we take the DNA or RNA, that is the genetic material of one virus, and mix it with the another virus. So this is the method in which we produce a new recombinant virus having properties of both coronavirus and adenovirus. Adenovirus has majority part which is very weak, and some part of the coronavirus vaccine is also there. Now, if this recombinant vaccine is given to the human, healthy human, it will not produce any disease in the human, but as it being a foreign or an abnormal thing, the immune system will produce antibodies against these. And as it is having some portion of the COVID-19 virus in it, the antibodies will be effective against COVID-19 also and will stay in the person for particular period of time. Now, such a healthy person who is having antibodies present in him comes in contact with a normal COVID-19 virus. The antibodies will kill that virus and hence the person will remain healthy. This is the mechanism of action of the Covishield vaccine. Now, what are the side effects? A lot of people have been asking about the side effects. See, side effects are possible in each and every medicine, each and every vaccine present in this earth, right? Even if you take poliovirus vaccine, which is given to almost everyone, it will also have some or other side effects. Our important, our focus should be on the risk benefit ratio. That if it is 99% good and having 1% side effects, it is safe, right? The risk benefit ratio should be a certain. COVID-19 virus vaccines both will also have mild side effects like low-grade fever, pain at the site of injection, headache, etc. These are not so serious as compared to COVID infection if you get, right? So there is no need to worry about the side effects, right? One part is that only possible dangerous side effect is allergy. Now, allergy again can occur to any person due to anything. A person may be infected to, maybe allergic to milk, maybe allergic to nuts, maybe allergic to aspirin, any drug, any vaccine is possible. So in this case, the person is having some problem. The virus or the vaccine is not having any problem, right? So a person who is having allergy to the vaccine, if he or she takes that vaccine, then he or she will develop up side effects. Okay, so we can see that Finland confirms first adverse reaction to Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine. So what was that adverse reaction? It was basically an allergic reaction to that vaccine. Argentina reports adverse reaction to Sputnik V, right? So this is also an example of adverse reaction, that is allergic reaction to the vaccine. So what to do in such cases? See, first of all, allergy, if a person is having allergy to any vaccine, he or she will be having allergy to many other things also. So what can such a person who is having history of allergy, right? I'm not saying each and everyone, only those person who are having history of allergy, they can do a skin test. That is, a very little initial dose will be given to you on your hand. If you have allergy, you will develop itching, redness, etc. around that part, and stop that you should not take that vaccine. If nothing happens, you are good to go. So this is an example of an allergic reaction, right? This is a temporary reaction which in within few hours will get disappeared. Okay, so skin test is recommended for those people who are having history of allergy, not for each and every one. There will be fake news, rumors, do not listen to them. This is really a good and safe vaccine. There have been reports in which political parties are claiming that this is propaganda of a particular party against a community, something. No need to pay any heed to such vaccines. This is useless and baseless allegations. Right? Someone said that it will make you important. No, not at all. This is science. It has nothing to do with politics. Okay, so don't listen to them. If you have any queries, ask your doctors and not so-called politicians. You can even comment in the comment section below and we will try to answer it. So thank you. That's all from my side. Do share this with your friends and family and make them aware, right? Okay, thank you.